Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to sort by date in Microsoft Excel. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So here you can see that we have some dates here, okay, and now here you can also see that these are not sorted here yet. Okay, so first of all, basically we have to convert this text into dates, okay, because right now this is just a text. Okay, so we will select our range of cells, then we will go into this data tab here, then click on text to columns here, and then click on next here, then next, and select date from here, and then click on finish. And now basically to sort them, we will select all of these and make sure that you are into this data tab here, and here you can see we have this to sort option. So if you want to basically sort it from old date to new date, you will click on A to Z. So it will basically sort the date from old to new, like 15, 19 and 21. And if you sort the date from new to the old, just click on this option where it says Z to A. So that's how you can basically sort by date in Microsoft Excel. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.